Hello and welcome to Best Forex Team and the BFT AutoTrader. My name is Chris. I'm one of the expert traders with the Best Forex Team, and I figured it would be helpful if I made a quick little introduction for our AutoTrader, which is a very powerful technology, especially when combined with our trading algorithms. So this is a quick video, but hopefully it will showcase kind of the power of our AutoTrader. So what is the BFT AutoTrader? It's an award-winning auto trader. We will dive into kind of what auto trading means, but essentially it's exactly what it sounds like. It means that once you are activated, all trades are automatically placed in your trade account. And this is not a new thing. There are thousands or hundreds of thousands of these systems out there. The truth is, the majority of them are total junk. We obviously think that ours is much better, and I hope that you agree after seeing this. In fact, we've won a couple awards, which we're very proud of, and we can share those with you. Again, it's 100% automated. You don't need to do anything. In fact, unlike the majority of them out there, you don't even need to be connected to the internet. You don't need to have your computer on, your phone on. You don't need to do anything once you're activated. Our auto trader is powerful, and it connects via API to your trading account, and all trades are 100% automated in your account. This says 23 profitable months in a row. In reality, we're close to 24 months now. We haven't had a losing month since we started offering this. And perhaps most importantly, we work only with regulated brokers. For those that don't know, we strongly suggest that you stay far away from any brokers that are not regulated. There are too many scams out there, a lot of junk. If you stick with regulated brokers, you will have a heck of a lot easier of a time when it comes to not only depositing your money, but withdrawing your money and getting treated like a real client. We've heard too many horror stories about scams and so on. So again, our auto trader works only with regulated brokers. Very important. And then lastly, trades are placed in your trading account, and you have full access to your trading account at all times. We never have access to your money. It's your money. You can add money to your account anytime you want. You can withdraw money anytime from your account that you want. We don't have access. And again, our trades are just executed in your trading account. So that's a big differentiator with our auto trader. A little bit about how it works. There's 3 simple steps to automated and profitable trading results with our auto trader. Essentially, we are scanning the markets, the Forex markets, to find winning trades. What is a winning trade for us? To us, it's statistically a 70% or higher chance of being a successful trade. If it's 65% or 69%, we don't take the trade. If it's 70% or higher, we take the trade. It's that simple. We place all of our trades in our own master account. Master account is just referring to our own internal accounts. And then through our auto trader software, which again is extremely powerful, our trades from our master account are instantly copied to your account because you are connected to our software. Instantly really means instantly, in a split second, which is extremely important because obviously some of our trades are extremely short, and the best price for entry and exit is important. So very important. Again, our auto trader software is powerful. Once your account is connected, every trade that our system generates will be placed in your trading account instantly, even if you're not online. So again, it doesn't matter if you're sleeping, it doesn't matter if you're on the golf course, our trades are placed in your account as long as you're connected. As far as the system details and performance, again, a very important aspect. These are real charts from our real performance from our master accounts. This shows since we started offering it to the public, now we're over 2,000 trades. Obviously a very strong equity curve in our opinion. This is not something that you're going to get rich overnight with, but if you're looking for consistent results, we think this equity curve does a very good job of showing kind of what our system is capable of. And then down here, you can just see some of the month-to-month net profit results. Again, we haven't had a losing month in nearly 24 months now. This just shows the last 10 months, I believe, of our automated trading results. And these numbers are on a $10,000 account, although don't be intimidated. You can start with much less, which we'll go through shortly. System details. We have 2 automated Forex systems, and they trade 6 major Forex pairs. The 6 pairs that we trade are very common. In fact, they're the most common. Again, we've had 24 profitable months in a row now. We average 34.2% return on the investment per month. That's an average. We don't generate that every month. We have some months as high as, I think our highest is 112% or something, if I'm not mistaken. And we have some that are much lower. I think our lowest is just below 20%. But again, 34% ROI per month since we started offering this on average. We trade very actively. These automated trading systems, the 2 that we use, average 189 trades per month. That's quite active. Again, you can only replicate our results if you're automated. If you try to follow signals and so on at 189 trades, you will be lost very quickly. And then again, 73.2% winning trades. This is a good statistic. It's not the most important thing necessarily, because one losing trade can wipe an account for a lot of systems out there. Ours, obviously, one trade will not come close to wiping an account, but when you win 73.2% of your trades, it's obviously a good statistic. A lot of our members like to see that most trades are winning. So we are definitely have the odds in our favor when it comes to that. A little bit more about our systems. We are ready for any market type. We don't care if the markets move up or down. As long as they're moving, there's an opportunity to make money. We're constantly scanning these 6 Forex pairs on 4 different time frames to identify 3 different patterns. We've got breakout patterns, which is obviously to identify a new trend. We have pullback patterns, which if in a trending market, we're looking for a pullback to buy a dip in an uptrending market or buy a pullback in a down, or I'm sorry, sell a pullback in a downtrending market. And we're also looking for overextended, overbought, or oversold market conditions. Our systems are completely automated, but when any of those 3 setups occurs, if that trade opportunity has a 70% chance or higher of winning, our account takes the trade. All trades then have a profit target and a stop loss, and again, those trades are copied instantly to your trading account if you're connected to the AutoTrader. Obviously, none of that matters if your funds aren't safe, if you're not secure. So perhaps the most important thing, aside from being able to make money when you're trading, is the safety and security, which we are is extremely important to us. Forex trading in general is extremely powerful, which you probably already know, but you may also know how much junk there is out there, and you need to be aware, and we will do our best to help you navigate that, and obviously it's in our best interest and yours, again, to stick with regulated brokers and stay away from the junk. Again, working with regulated brokers is our absolute #1 rule. We will integrate only with regulated brokers, so that's important. Again, we consider ourselves safe and secure because your money stays in your account at all times. It is extremely common out there with these automated trading systems where you might be asked to send your money to whoever you may be investing with or trusting with, whether it's a fund or so on. I'm not going to say that those are all scams because there are definitely legitimate ones, but there are definitely those that are not legitimate. And I've got too many horror stories that I can count that are revolved around you sending your money to somebody else into a black hole and hoping you get it back. We do not work that way. Your money stays in your broker account. your regulated broker account at all times, and our trades are just copied into your account. Next thing, which is important, is you can withdraw your funds or deposit more funds anytime you want. So, for example, it's extremely common for a new member wants to see how our systems work and so on. Start with a small amount, try it for a week or a month or whatever it may be, and then deposit more funds when they're more comfortable. It's also common for members to withdraw their profits each month or every quarter or so on. These sorts of things, it's your account, it's your money, you can do anything you want, withdraw or add funds anytime. There's no minimum investment time or anything like that. And then something very important for us, we don't sell our system. We have people that have offered to buy it. We don't want to. We believe that it's very powerful and it's most powerful in our own hands. So we keep it very close to us. But that said, it works in your favor because you don't pay us anything until after we make you money. So most of our members appreciate that because we're not out there trying to make a quick buck off of you. We don't make any money until after you make money. So that leads me to the next part. How much does it cost? There's two options when it comes to activating our AutoTrader. Most people obviously go for number one because it's 100% free for you. Of course, you need to come up with the money that you're going to invest, but when it comes to the activation fee, that is free with this first option. When you register with one of our recommended brokers, which again are regulated, we will not charge you the activation fee to use our AutoTrader. We're able to do this because the brokers that we work with, we have a good relationship with, and it works to our advantage and yours because it's competitive out there for the brokers, and they're willing to pay us an incentive to send them new business. So it kind of is one of the situations where everybody's a winner. We send them new clients, they pay your activation fee for us, or I should say for you, and we activate your account for free. Option number two, you pay a $500 activation fee, and this is more for the higher level investors that would like to perhaps use their own investment account that they already have, their own trading account, and connect it to our AutoTrader. That is possible, but in that case, we have to charge a $500 activation fee. To us, it's the same. It doesn't matter which way you go, but again, most people opt for the free activation. And then the only other cost on top of that, which again, most of our members are very happy to pay because it means they're making money, is we charge a 20% performance fee. We charge that 20% on a monthly basis, and we only charge it on the profit that we generate for your account. So, for example, if we generate $5,000 profit for your account, you will pay us 20% of that, which is $1,000, and you will keep the other $4,000. We don't have access to your account, so we can't just go in and take our 20% or anything like that. We send you an invoice at the end of the month, and it's up to you to pay it. If you do not pay it within 10 days, we pause the AutoTrader on your account. And again, most people want us to continue trading their accounts. So we, in general, don't have a problem collecting that 20%, and we feel that's fair. So those are the only costs associated. Lastly, how to get started with the AutoTrader. It's extremely simple. The first step is you need to have a trading account. Register free on our activation page for your trading account. We will send you the link to the activation page, and you will just register for one of our regulated brokers. If you need help choosing which one, just ask us, but if it's on that page, on the activation page, you can rest assured that they're regulated and you're in good hands. Once you have your trading account, which is honestly a 30-second process to set up, the next step obviously is you must fund your broker account. You log into your broker account and you make your first deposit. Most of them accept credit card, bank wire, NetTeller, Skrill, and other e-wallets. It's very simple to fund. You can choose whatever makes the most sense for you. The minimum amount, and this is important, is $500 US to fund your trading account. Anything less than that will not catch the trades from the AutoTrader, so that's very important. That said, anything more than that is entirely up to you. It doesn't matter to us how much you fund your account with. We have very high accounts, we have very low accounts, but at least 500 US dollars is absolutely fine. Once you've done that, we get notice from the broker that you funded your account. We reach out to you because you've done so, and we will contact you and connect your account to the AutoTrader, which is entirely on our side. That's about a 10-minute process. We go over the final steps with you, set the risk tolerance and so on. Very simple process, and we push play. Once that's done, it's quite simple and we're off to the races. After that, we can we call it let the trading begin. Your account's activated, the trading will begin, and there's a few important things that are worth going over. You can change the risk anytime you want. If you want us to trade more aggressively, you can change the risk settings, which essentially just changes the lot sizes on your account. We always recommend starting on the low or medium risk. Let the AutoTrader kind of show you what it's all about, and only once you're comfortable do we suggest you increase the risk. Obviously, increasing the risk increases the reward, but the alternative is true as well. Losing trades, you'll lose more too. So it's a trade-off. You can add funds anytime you wish. You can cash out funds anytime you wish. It doesn't matter when. It doesn't matter if you deposited yesterday and you're in a bind and you need to cash out today. You're more than welcome to do so. Obviously, that's not the best scenario because the AutoTrader doesn't get a chance to work, but bottom line, it's your money. You can do what you want with it. This is an important one. We get a lot of people that ask if they can refer friends. You absolutely can. We will pay you $200 per friend once they become active. So that's kind of nice. You can follow all of your trades on your mobile device in real time. Everything's placed through MT4, which is MetaTrader 4. It's the most common Forex app in the world. All of our brokers use it. You can download it on your phone, your computer, your iPad, anything you want, and you will be able to log into your account and follow everything in real time. So that's very nice. And if you go on vacation, you're stressed out, you have anything that causes you to want to deactivate or pause the AutoTrader, you have the right to do so anytime you want. So again, you are in full control. We will help you with anything that you need. So these are just some items that are most commonly asked questions, I should say, once the trading begins. That's it. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this quick introduction. If you have questions, we are here for anything you need. Otherwise, if you want the activation link, just ask your account manager and we will send it to you gladly. Looking forward to having you. Thank you.